Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're taking a look at Spider-Man Remastered running on our Linux cloud PC from maximum settings. This will have a 5800X CPU for me today, and we're running a 6800 XT on our GPU. Now we are going to be using a pre-installed Steam Linux version here, and I have Spider-Man downloaded and ready to go. I've messed with different compatibility layers, and for me, I've landed on GE Proton 29, but I've also played the game without forcing any compatibility just fine as well. Now, we'll go ahead and get launched into the game and we'll take a look at our settings. First, I've adjusted a few things. I'm not using any FSR in this video, and I do have all the music turned off. So we are running the game at 1440p full screen with no VSync and no upscale methods right now in the game. I just want to run raw performance in this video at very high, which is the highest preset you can have. And then I've gone and done my normal testing thing and turned off all the camera effects like vignetting and motion blur and all that type of thing. So once we get into the game, we'll be able to see the performance. Now I'm working on getting things like Mango HUD and others working for metrics so that we can see all of the information when we're testing games like this as I normally would, but I've been having trouble with that, and I wanted to get this video out. So we do have the Steam FPS counter up there, and we'll bounce between the 40 and 60 FPS range depending on what we're doing. And that's by no means using all of the GPU here, even though I can't show you that in this particular video. I've tested this on a lot of other systems, and this game is already being known for being extremely CPU bound. It's bottlenecking my 5600X with my RTX 3060 and that type of thing. So you're really going to want to adjust your settings, maybe bring down some of the CPU intensive settings like crowd density and other things. Try to push the GPU a little bit more and the CPU less, but for ease I'm just using the very high preset here. Even if I use FSR, I wouldn't be able to go past quality or balance because, again, with the CPU bottlenecking, even with this CPU, I can guarantee you we won't gain much because all FSR does is take pressure off the GPU, which in this case we don't need. We need pressure off of the CPU. But anyways, besides all of that, input latency is great. We do have some stream stutter and whatnot here and there with the system, but it's not game breaking. It doesn't pull me from the game or anything. It's fine. Input latency feels really good. I get a 32 millisecond ping when I ping to the data centers here from where I'm at, and I have no complaints here. Spider-Man Remastered is playing great here on this Linux Cloud PC from max settings. So if it's something you guys want to give a look and try out, I'll have a link to their webpage in the description below. If you haven't already, subscribe, thumbs up, ring the bell. Leave me your comments down below, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.
Yuri, the silent alarm was legit. Masked gunmen and a single hostage. Looks like a heist in progress.
Copy that. Sending units your way. Keep the situation from getting worse in the meantime.
Can do. Gotta do this quietly. Don't want to alert the others. They always look so cozy whipped up like that. Should web him from above. Whoa, careful. You stay quiet now. Someone's coming. They'll see me down here.
Patience wears thin.
Someone else is here! I swear! She must have the file!
If they're here, where are they?
I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know.
眼睛睁大点，有开了。
有人很快就会明白的。还有谁听到了吗？我听错了，这儿没人。继续杀我！
Nap time. Hey, what is that? This totally belongs to...
Don't move.
Buddy, if I had a nickel for every don't move...
Hey, Pete.